invite you to close your eyes, uncross your arms and legs, and feel the weight of your body where you are. Allow yourself to naturally bring in your mind a situation that causes uncertainty, or maybe a situation that is uncomfortable, that may cause discomfort. Or you can also bring in a current objective or a goal that takes a lot of work to achieve. And if nothing comes up, that's okay as well. Allow yourself to enjoy this space, inhaling through your nose and out through your mouth, keeping your mouth open. Inhale with a 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And exhale with a 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And check in with your body. Starting with the soles of your feet, going up to your ankles, your calves. Check in to see what parts of your body are tense and where you are relaxed. Allow yourself to observe and scan your body. Continue to your knees, thighs, your reproductive and digestive systems, your lower back, liver, pancreas, lungs, heart, throat, acknowledging every part of your body. With every breath, bringing oxygen to every cell of your body. Deeply connect and love the miracle of your existence. Continue up your neck to your head, scanning your face. Now allow yourself to look at the day that was yesterday. You are now going to sleep after a productive day of work. Approaching your bed little by little as you're getting ready to rest. Lie down and slowly you enter a deep sleep. While you sleep, a miracle happens. With that miracle, you achieve the objective. You accomplish your goal. You are able to find certainty. Because you're still sleeping, you haven't realized that the miracle has happened. Slowly, the light starts to enter the room. You enjoyed a deep sleep, and you wake up with your body fully rested. You are now seeing your house and allowing yourself to observe what has changed in your house. And in you since the miracle has happened. Acknowledge what has changed when you look into the mirror, how people around you react now that the miracle has happened, what your co-workers say, your friends, your pet, your family. How does everyone react to the fact that this miracle has happened? Notice everything that has changed in you. What is different in you now? What behaviors, thought patterns, ideas, and beliefs that have changed now that the miracle has fully set in. See how everyone else now reacts with you now. Now walk into your kitchen and serve yourself a glass of water. And while you drink it, you allow the miracle to solidify in reality. And you let it fully integrate into your being, flowing into every cell that you are. Now that you're fully integrated with the miracle, slowly find your way to the here and now, touching every inch of your body and say, "This is me, and I am here." And when you're ready, come back to the space.